Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be talking about what abrasive blast cabinet is right for you and how to decide which style blast cabinet is correct for you that you want to use in your operation. So here at VHT, we have wet blasting, we have sandblasting, and we also have hydroblasting. And we're gonna talk about each of those processes and help you determine which one may be right for you based on what they do. So wet blasting, which is what we have here, is our VH2000 wet blast. This is a very non-aggressive form of blasting. This process uses water and abrasive to clean parts, and your water is gonna do most of the cleaning while the abrasive scrubs the surface. It's very non-aggressive. The water actually creates a cushion on the surface of your pieces. There's no tolerance change, there's no metal being eaten away, no embedding in the surface with the abrasive, there's no packing in tight areas, no warping because of heat frictions. Most importantly, there's also no dust. That's a big plus that you get with a vapor honing machine. So it's a little bit more eco-friendly, and it's better for operators, better for the parts, it's healthier for them. It also maintains the original integrity, which is why a lot of the time you see a lot of motorcycle guys or antique car guys working with these types of machines because they're able to preserve the integrity of the parts that they are looking to restore. For our wet blasting cabinets, we start the whole way down at what's called our micro vapor hone, which is a small 17 by 13 by 13 top load cabinet. It's fully pneumatic, and we go the whole way up to 60 by 60 by 60 cabinets that are fully robotic. We have a good range and a good mix. We're able to offer a lot of flexibility there for a lot of different price points and budgets. So with wet blast, in conclusion, if you are looking for a really good higher level finish that's not going to harm the integrity of your parts, this process is the best process for you. So as you can see, the color of the cabinet changed a little bit. We've moved to sandblasting. So this is the second of third kind of processing or different type of cleaning process we offer. This cabinet is the same size as the wet blast cabinet. With sandblast, the key difference here is that you're gonna get a little bit more speed over quality of finish. So speed is your top priority. This is definitely the best cabinet for you. Now we have two different types of sandblast cabinets that we offer. We offer the siphon or the pressure pot sandblasting cabinets. Pressure pot is gonna be more of your higher demand. It's gonna push a lot more abrasive through the gun, and it's gonna be at a higher velocity, higher speed, so you're gonna be very production oriented with a pressure pot cabinet. Siphon is gonna be more of a hobbyist application or a hobbyist cabinet, but we offer that as well. It's basically gonna pull the media through. We do offer both styles here. Again, sandblast is best if you're looking for speed over quality of finish. There are a few different types we offer. So we have side loads or we have front loads. Right over here is our VH900. That is a front load cabinet. We also have the side load styles like this. If you guys have any questions, again, we're always here to help determine what process is the best for you. But the main point here is if you're looking for speed over the quality of finish, this is gonna be the best process for you. So we are on to our third type of processing that we do offer here. This is a hydroblast cabinet. Now we have two separate styles of parts washing available. We have high pressure parts washers, which would fall into this category, or we have automated parts washers. The difference here is that this cabinet is going to use high pressure, heat, and detergent, while the automatic parts washers are going to use higher heat, lower pressures, and detergent as well. So the main difference is that this is high pressure, automated parts washers are not. This is gonna get things done a little bit quicker. Again, this is just using an aqueous-based detergent. There is no abrasive involved. Let's say you're a mechanic shop, you just need something degreased, you need the oil taken off of it. This is a really good machine because you're gonna be able to get those parts done fast, done quick, to build back onto the part, or to build back your cars or whatever you're working on. Again, this machine puts out 12 to 1700 PSI, so it's very high pressure. We even have a model that goes up to 4000 PSI. All of these are manual style cabinets, so you have to hold a gun and blast, but the pro to that is that with the high pressure, you get things done a lot quicker. If you're more of a one-man show and you're a super busy shop, maybe automated parts washing is the best option for you because you don't maybe have the labor to run the machine and you can pretty much set it and forget it with those machines. Walk away, come back maybe 30 minutes, an hour later, everything's degreased, de-oiled, and ready for reassembly. So this is the third type that we offer. If you're not looking for any type of particular finish or surface preparation, this is definitely gonna be the best process for you because it's gonna de-oil, degrease, get all that nasty crap off your parts and allow you to reassemble. So as far as styles and sizing, we do offer all of these in the same size as our vapor honing cabinets, starting at 33 by 30 by 28, the whole way up to 60 by 48 by 38. So we do have a wide range available for you. Again, we have front load, we have side load. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.